today we take a look at this fantastic little car, the Kyosho Mini-z rear-wheel drive. Now, these cars come ready to run straight out the box. All you need to do is add 4 AA batteries in the car and another 4 in the transmitter, and you are ready to go. Hopefully the videos give you an idea of how big this car actually is. It's a 1/24 scale, ready to run RC car. The touring cars come with rubber tyres. However, the car I was running today was fitted with some drift tyres, just so I could have a little bit of fun. There are lots of extra hop-up parts that you can purchase for these cars further down the line. If you're interested in buying this exact car with the extra set of wheels, do get in touch with Sunderland Models.